Hey there guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to download and install Eclipse. So for this demonstration I'm going to use Firefox as my primary browser. You can use any browser of your choice. So first of all, go ahead and open up your browser and then type in Eclipse download in the search bar, and from the search results uh, click on the first link, which is from the Eclipse Foundation. So this will take you to the download page. So scroll down a little bit, you will find the actual download link from there. For now, the Eclipse IDE 2021 June version is the latest release from this Eclipse Foundation. So go ahead and click on the download button, and this release is both supported in 32-bit and 64-bit Windows operating system. So this will take you to the another further download location. That means this will give you the default download mirror location. If you are okay with it, go ahead and click on the download button, and if you want to change the mirror location, just go ahead and do it from this link. Select another mirror. So I'm okay with this default mirror location, so I'm going to click on the download button. So now it will allow me to download the exe file. So since I already have this file downloaded in my system, so I'm not going to download it again. So for you, I believe you have to click on the save file button in order to download this exe file. uh, I'm going to cancel this for now. And another thing that I would like to mention here is that if you want to donate to this wonderful Eclipse community, please go ahead and do it from here. Type in your desired amount you want to donate and click on the donate button. It will take you to the checkout page. So I'm leaving it for now. So since I already have this file downloaded, I want to go to the file explorer. So I'm going to execute this installation file. Sure, the Eclipse installer comes up with a bunch of installation suggestions. Eclipse offers different package for different purpose, so go ahead and check those out by yourself. So if you have any particular type of development purpose, just go ahead and find it from here. And since I will be working mostly on Java, so I will be installing this first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So go ahead and click this one if you are also a Java developer. So click that one. So before the actual installation, the couple of things to note that you need to have Java 11 JDK installed in your system. So I already have that installed, and they give you a default installation folder. So if you are not okay with it, just click here and select your desired installation folder. And apart from that, this Eclipse IDE for Java developers come with additional tools like Git client, XML editor, Maven, and Gradle build tools. So that's pretty pretty much it. So if you want, you can go ahead and click on the details for more information. So I'm just going to click on the install button. So the installation is done. So from here I'm going to launch this IDE right from here. If you want, you can go ahead and check that readme file where you will find additional information regarding this IDE and this release. And also you can open this up in the System Explorer. And also if you want to keep this installer, just click on the keep installer button. So for right now I'm leaving all these three things, and instead I'm going to click on the launch button. So it will take some time to open the IDE. So it will ask you for a workspace location. So if you want to change the default workspace location to something else, just click on the browse. I want to change the default workspace location to my preferred one. So I'm going to select one of the folders I created before. So I'm going to click the launch. So if you want this workspace location to be your default workspace location, just click on this checkbox here. So I'm going to do it now and then click on the launch. So here is our Eclipse IDE homepage. Okay, so from here either you can go ahead and check the overview of the features, or you can go through the tutorials, or you can try out some samples yourself, or you can find out what's new about this release. So in order to verify our Eclipse installation, I'm going to create one Hello World application project. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, create a Hello World application link, and then from here I'm going to create a Java project with the name Hello, and I am going to use a project specific GRE. Okay, I'm just leaving it as it is. So I don't want to overcomplicate the things. So I'm just going to click the finish button. So I'm going to create one module here. Okay, so I'm just going to create a class file now. Just let us define one package name, whatever, XYZ. Okay, and just type in hello. So here we are defining the main method, and also let's print out something. Okay, so hello from Eclipse IDE 2021-06. So let's save this one and execute this file. So Viola, we got the output. Okay, so it's working. So our Eclipse installation is working properly, and as well as the Java installation. Uh, so if you want to change your workspace, so we can do it from here. Just go to file and switch workspace and click other. So from here you can actually browse, and if you already have workspace created before, you can just select that folder from right here. Or if you want to create a new workspace, just click the right click here and select new, and then folder, then type in workspace another. So select that folder you just created and then click launch. This will restart the Eclipse with your selected workspace. So if you don't know what a workspace is basically where your project will be saved in the file system. Okay, so that's the workspace. So the Eclipse has been restarted. So as you can see that workspace name is also updated. So now your workspace is workspace another. So that is basically it. So thank you so much for watching. So see you next time. Peace out.